So anybody who has not experienced an Elluminate session, this is what it looks like. You've got the participants on the left. The whiteboard is the area that the professor can put up, and the interaction area is over here on the left. What you can see is they've got posting, right? You know, so it shows the day, and then people can come in here. Now, this is a recording, so you actually can see how I joined the group about 11 minutes into the presentation. So we're watching at the bottom here, we're able, since it is a recording, see it says in the session for 15 minutes. Fascinating, because it has started only 2 minutes so far. And I think I joined it when I was about, gosh, where was it? I think I was in the session, it said like 19 minutes, so it should be like in 4 minutes. There we are, in the session for 5 minutes. Not quite yet, all right? So they were going on. Ah, there I am right there, see? So now you can see that I've joined the session. And one of the things I did when I joined the session is that I started typing things in here. And you can see, oh, this is fun. When people have these smiley faces, they're supporting something. So just let's take it back a little bit and listen to what they were saying. Okay, what's happening? People are laughing, you know, smiling. What's happening? Oh, darn.
Okay, this is a qualified school.
Yep. One of the problems is the distortion that sometimes comes up.
We do recommend, as you said, in the ITD faculty recommends that you take the foundation courses first. But it doesn't necessarily mean that if you hadn't done so, it's not going to be beneficial.
Okay, so you see what's happening here. They're talking.
Whole thing. Hopefully you're starting, and it's okay. Right?
Yeah.
So welcome. Thank you for your participation and introduction.
Right. Yeah.
I think I remember you from summer conference, actually.
Now let's see what else pops up here.
Next one in my line here is Elvis.
See, there we are.
Would you please briefly introduce yourself, how far along in the program you are, and in the dissertation process, and if you have any expectations already for the class. Elvis, please. Good evening.
Okay, and so what has to happen, they have to know to click to turn on. Yeah, there you go. See? You have to click on this to start talking.
Okay, good evening. My name is Elvis. I'm in this program I started last summer. This is my second class. I work for the Israel Qualified School.
And you can hear the distortion that is evident in these recordings. Now, as we go along in the session, it's fascinating. It says it's been around for 33 minutes, and yet it's only 7 minutes of recording. So I don't feel bad about showing up later. Let's see what happens if you go a little farther along. I'll just take it a little longer, and then we should be able to see at some point where there's Patricia. She came in, and a little farther along I started making, yeah, there's my comments there. See all of these comments here? There. It said the internet site that I'm working at is closing early. I will listen to the recording online. And so then I listed that I work at a charter school, and I took 7007. I look forward to learning more. Boom. So that was my expectations, see. And so what you can do on the website is that you can make messages go to particular people, or you can make the messages go to the entire room. See, it says show all, but send to all. You can send a message only to the moderator. And this I right there on the side, that little I indicates that whatever messages you send are visible to the moderator. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Elluminate. Essentially, you're changing your microphone input as needed, and you're changing your hearing as needed as well.